Morning, guys. We just finished the warm-up. These are the directions for your assignment today. I wanted to record them so that you have them in case you get confused. You can go back, listen to this, and hopefully you'll be able to complete the assignment. So you have two things that you're doing: combined latitude and longitude worksheet, and then this longitude latitude with mapping skills practice. The longitude latitude with mapping skills practice, I'll go to classwork here so you can see it. They're both under the same assignment. So see how it says complete both? The Google Forms is self-explanatory. You're clicking on it, you're finishing it. The only thing you need to take a look at as I open it up, it'll obviously submit it once you're done, but I'm going to go to the edit so you can see what I'm talking about. On this one, there's one other thing for you to do. There's a couple of in section 2, there's a couple of websites here that you can go to that will help you practice your mapping skills. So that includes latitude and longitude. So you're going to do that. This should be the last thing you do for these assignments. Okay. But the one I want to go over with you to make sure you know exactly what you're doing and so that you can listen to it again just in case you need to is this combined latitude and longitude worksheet. So we talked about latitude and longitude. You answered some questions about it in your digital notebook, but today you're actually going to use it on this worksheet. So you can see that you have a map here, right? This map has latitude and longitude on it. You guys remember latitude are the lines that are going across. Longitude are the lines that are going up and down. Well, in order to be able to locate locations on this grid, because that's what the lines create, a grid, you need to know where two lines are. The prime meridian and the equator. The equator is right here at 0 degrees. Let me see if I can highlight this. Where's the, that's okay. The equator is here at 0 degrees. Any lines above the equator, see the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50? Those are these lines going across, and those are latitude lines. So you know if you're going above, think of your compass rose, which looks like this. Anything above 0 is north. Anything below 0 is south. So look at your first question. It says 60 degrees north. You have to find that line of latitude because latitude is always first. So I go, there's 60. I know that the location is somewhere on this line, 60 degrees north. But like with any of these, you need two coordinates. So you go back and it says 60 degrees west. So where do I find the west? Well, those west and east are always going to be longitude lines, which are the ones that are going up and down on your grid. Well, 60 degrees west, there's two 60s. There's a 60 here and a 60 here. How do I know which is west and which is east? Again, go to your compass. If prime meridian is 0 degrees, then anything to the left of it is west. Anything to the right of it is east. So I know as soon as I find 0 and I start to go left, I'm actually not going left, I'm going west. So 15, 30, 45, this is 60 west right here. Well, if I go to 60 west and where it meets 60 north, I'm going to come to location A. So if you go back down to the worksheet here, 60 north, 60 west, what place am I at? I'm at A. Now, be careful because what they're asking you to do on this worksheet is to give the coordinates. They give you the places, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So you can see those are all on this map, B, C, D, E, F, G. They want you to do what they did on the example, which is give the coordinates. So again, we'll do one together. The first one they're looking for is B. I can see it here. So I have to find that on my thing. Okay, there's B. Now, I've got to match up these coordinates. Well, I see that it's at 50. I know it's on this line that says 50, right? Well, which 50 is it, north or south? Well, if the equator is right here and I've gone above it, then I know I've gone north of the equator. So I'm at 50 degrees north. So I'll write that in. 50 degrees north. Now I have to find the second coordinate, the longitude. Longitude is always going to either be east or west. So I go back up. B is Here's 0. That's the 0 prime meridian. I've gone to the left of it. Well, I know that left means west. So I go 15, 30. It's at 45 degrees west longitude. So 45 west. And that's how you complete those. So I'm actually going to delete that one so it doesn't stay on the document. That's what you're completing here on this paper. Now, this one's pretty straightforward, except for E. You'll notice that E is not right on a line. That means that you have to estimate how far that is between 0 and 10 degrees south. And I'll let you do that one on your own so you can kind of guess there. Once you've done that, you're going to answer these two questions here. It says answer the following questions. Let's see if I can get on the same page. There we go. By highlighting either yes or no. So you can do those two questions there. You read them using the map. That's how you'll answer them. All right, so that's all there is to that one. Again, the other one, the Google Doc that you're also doing, is self-explanatory. You'll be turning in, if I go to view assignment, you'll be turning in the worksheet. So you can see the doc separate. The worksheet is here. That's the one you'll be turning in. Again, if you're a little confused, listen to this video again. I think it'll help make sense, which is why I recorded it so that you can keep going back to it in case you get confused. Okay, guys, good luck.